Spider-Man and Iron Man on a bike in a city, RGB light and big buildings in background. And my goodness. This AI which I have used now for making this type of real-time image, this AI tool is the world first real-time AI. It generates your image instantly while you typing the prompt. Until now there is no AI tool which is so fast like this AI. And the most interesting part is this is completely free. Midjourney is always my favorite, but that is a paid AI tool, and that's why many people use Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, DALL-E 3, but this is really a next level AI image generator. In this video, I will show you exactly how can create these images by this AI tool in step by step. So let's go to my screen. Okay, this is the website, and this website name is Decohere.ai. I will give the link of this AI tool in description and the pin comment. So after coming here, we need to click on here, start for free, then sign in. I am using Google. Okay, after signing in, this AI tool will give 200 credits per day. So we need to claim it, then close it. Okay, done. So this is the main website interface. We can do many things by this AI tool, but for using the real-time AI, here's the option real-time instant AI generation. So click on generate. Now here's the prompt box, and we need to type here the prompt, and the image will automatically generating here, and we can see the every frame of making this image. So let's start. Superman and Batman fighting in rain, fire in background in a cyberpunk city, RGB light, cinematic, poster, realistic, and I think it's just mind blowing. You have already watched the result and is incredible, and it's just not one image, it's like infinity. This image, I like this image. Okay, this image is also good, but it has some mistake. There are Batman and Superman in two sides equally. Okay, this one is good. There is also mistake, but this one I think perfect. But Superman face need some more details. Most of them are good. Okay, I like this one so much. It's actually have the details. Okay, so let's write other thing. iPhone dropping from very high from a building, very big iPhone in night, RGB light, world's largest iPhone dropping, cyberpunk city. Okay, a super car, dinosaur, old looking car. Then okay, what I can done it with it? Rolls Royce. I think I have a spelling mistake here, but let's super bike, left side on a car. Okay, it's not give me the proper result. Okay, our daily free limit is over, and this AI is really incredible. I will say everybody please try this AI for once time. I hope you guys will like this AI, and you can also make normal images like the other AI image generator like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, and its quality is amazing. Okay, I love this image, so we can use this prompt for here. So okay, here's the prompt, and let's change the animal from elephant to a dog. And okay, all are good. Then select your aspect ratio. I am selecting 1:1 and generate. So let's see. Okay, it's really fast, not like the real-time AI, but if I compare it with the other AI tool which are free, then it's fast. It's really fast, and the quality is insane. Look at the details from here. The sunglass, wow, I like the AI so much. And also in Decohere there is a super feature, that is the AI characters, but for using this feature you need to buy their subscription for using it, and by this feature you can make any celebrity's image in different position. Just like an example, I am selecting Tom Holland as a character, and now if I type Tom Holland walking in a park, then generate, it will make an AI image where Tom Holland will walking in a garden really, but we cannot generate in free, that's why I cannot show you in here. But if you want this feature, you can definitely buy this AI tool. I will give you the link in the description, and all the image from here all are an AI image, it's not a real image, so it's crazy. So I hope you have liked this video. For getting more this type of AI videos and tech related videos, please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.